Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So let us start our maths lecture in which we will discuss the last exercise of the chapter. Till now we have discussed how to measure line segment, how to draw a line, what are closed curves, what are open curves, right? What are polygons? We discussed all these points. Even we discussed circle, what is diameter, what were the formulas for diameter and radius. Okay. Now in today's class we will discuss about three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes we will discuss, but before starting three-dimensional shape we will understand what is two-dimensional shapes. So two-dimensional shape, and this side I am going to draw three-dimensional shape. Now what is two and three-dimensional? First we will discuss two-dimensional shape. Such shapes which have only two dimensions, that is height and width only, are known as two-dimensional shapes. To understand it, suppose I have a plain paper. Two-dimensional shapes are flat surfaces. Flat surfaces. So I have a paper. It is a flat paper. It has only height and width. It has only height and width. Only two data are there, height and width, and it is a flat surface. So we can call it a two-dimensional. Actually it is hard to give example for two-dimensional. You have seen your shadow. You have seen your shadow. Your shadow is an example of two-dimensional shape. It has only height and width. Okay, no depth it has. Your shadow has no depth, means your shadow is a two-dimensional shape. It is a flat shape. So two-dimensional shapes we can write 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Here D stands for dimensional. D stands for dimensional. Two-dimensional means only height and width. Two-dimensional means height and width. We will talk about only two things. In three-dimensional or 3D shapes, 3D or 3D. In short, we can write 3D. We can write three-dimension as 3D, two-dimension as 2D. Okay. Now three-dimension shape. So in three dimensions are there. We talk about three things. That is, first is height, second thing is width, and third thing is depth. Depth or thickness. Depth or thickness. Height, width and depth or thickness we talk in 3D shapes, and in 2D shapes we talk about only two things, that is height and width. 2D shapes are flat surfaces. 2D shapes are flat surfaces. 2D shapes are flat surfaces. whatever the polygons we have discussed, the polygons we have discussed were all 2D shapes. Polygons we have discussed were all 2D shapes. Which polygons we have discussed? If you open book page number 105, on book page number 105, a table is given, types of polygon table is given. This table types of polygon is given. Observe this table. Name of the polygons are given in the table. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon. All these are the 2D shapes. Why? Because they have only height and width. Height and width. All the shapes have height and width. No thickness they have. They are flat surfaces. All the shapes are flat in shape. Means they are 2D shapes. All these polygons are 2D shape. Okay, like I have give you example of paper. Paper has only height and width. Height and width. Right? No thickness it has. Means it is a 2D shape. Now what are 3D shapes? 2D shapes are flat surfaces. All the polygons are 2D shapes. Now what are 3D shapes? So 3D shapes are the shapes which we can hold, move, shapes are the shapes which we can hold, move around, or all the things which we can feel. All are 3D. All the objects around us are 3D. Like this book. Like your maths book. It is a 3D. Why it is 3D? It has height, it has width and it has depth. It has thickness. It means it is a 3D shape. Your geometry box is a 3D shape. It has height, it is not flat, it is a solid. So basically 3D shapes are solid shapes. 2D shapes are flat shapes. So let me write the point for 3D shape. 3D shapes are solid. Or all solid shapes are 3D shapes, we can see. So I hope you understand the things about 2D and 3D shapes. Two-dimensional shapes we can write 2D shapes in short. Three-dimensional shapes we can write 3D shapes in short. Here two dimension means we talk about height and width only. We talk about height and width only. Okay. In 3D shapes we talk about height, width and thickness or depth. Okay. 2D shapes are flat surfaces. 3D shapes are solid objects. Okay. Let me give you one more example of 2D and 3D. If you are present in the class, actually, physically, your body is 3D, right? You have height, width and depth, thickness. Your body, if you are physically present, means you are present with your body. It is 3-dimensional. Your body is 3-dimensional. But if you see your image in the phone, your image or your photo or your picture is a 2D shape. Okay. So these were the differences between 2D and 3D. Now let me draw the shapes. This polygon is made up of 4 line segments. It is a square. The name of this shape is square. Next, a quadrilateral, or I can say rectangle. Next shape is triangle. These shapes are made up of straight lines, okay? Triangle, circle. All these are circle is a closed curve, right? It is not a polygon, but it is a flat surface. So these are the 2D shapes. Now 3D shapes if I draw. The name of this shape is cube. Have you seen the crystal of sugar? Have you seen the crystal of sugar? क्या आपने शक्कर के दाने देखे हैं? Those crystals are in the shape of cube. Ice cube you have seen? Ice cubes are in the shape of cube. Have you seen the shape of matchstick or your geometry box? Have you seen? Yes. So that shape is known as cuboid. Cuboid. These are the 3D shapes. These shapes we can hold, we see all around us. Okay? 3D shapes we seen all around us. Cube, cuboid, cone, birthday cake is an example of cone, or ice cream cone is also an example of cone. The shape of cone is like birthday cake. And next one is sphere. Sphere. Circle is a 2D shape. Why? Because it is a flat surface. But sphere is a 3D shape. Sphere, if I give you example, orange. Orange is spherical. It is not circle. Orange is spherical because it is a solid shape. Your football, it is also an example of sphere. Basketball is also example of sphere. Excuse me, give me just 2 minutes. Okay, so 2D shapes are flat in shape, but 3D shapes are having height, width and thickness. Height, width and thickness. Height, width and thickness. So It is example of sphere. It is a solid shape. I can hold it. Okay, I can move around it. It is a example of sphere, circular ball. Okay, it is the example of cone. Your ice cream cone looks like this. Ice cream cone, birthday cake. So it is the solid shape which represents cone. This shape has height, width and depth. Height, if I tilt it, height, width and depth. 3 dimension it has. It is a solid shape. The example of the name of this shape is cuboid. The name of this shape is cuboid. Your geometry box is example of cuboid. Matchbox is an example of cuboid. This shape, it is also a solid shape or 3D shape. It has height, width and depth. Height, width and depth. It is a cube. The name of this shape is cube. Examples, you have dice. While you play Ludo, you use dice. The shape of dice is like cube. Okay, the crystal of sugar is like cube. So these were the examples of 2D and 3D shapes. I want to talk or discuss about one more 3D shape, which is cylinder. The 5th shape is, I am drawing here, the 5th shape is cylinder. The name of this shape is cylinder. The name of this shape is cylinder. It has 2 flat surfaces and which we call top and this face we call base. Okay, it is a cylinder. Now what is the example of cylinder? See this solid shape, it has 2 flat surfaces. It has 2 flat surfaces. See, this portion is known as top face. This portion is known as bottom face or base. Okay. See how the solid of cylinder looks like. It is exactly like this. Right? Have you seen the chalk? Yes, you have seen. The shape of chalk is like this. It matches with this shape, means chalk is cylindrical in shape. Okay. If you see the marker, it has a top, flat circular top, bottom is circular. It is the marker is of cylindrical shape. You have seen rolling pin, or if I talk in Hindi, belan. The shape of belan is like this. It is also a rolling pin. It is also cylindrical in shape. See, the top and bottom are flat. So it is a cylindrical shape. I hope you got the name of all the shapes. Square, it is a flat. Rectangle, flat. Triangle, flat. Circle, flat surface. All these are 2D shapes. 3D shape, cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder. 5 3D shapes we have discussed and 4 2D shapes. Now open exercise 7.4, which is on page number 111, which is on page number 111. Question number 1. Fill all the answer in your book with the help of pencil. Right now fill with pencil, later you will note down from the book in your copy. Okay. So question number 1, write the shapes of the following objects. Write the shapes of the following objects, a geometry box. What is the shape of your geometry box? You can hold your geometry box, right? You can hold your geometry box, means it is a solid shape. And solid shape means 3D shape, so we will identify from this. Your geometry box look like this? No. Is it look like this? This shape? Yes. Which shape it is? It is cuboid. So write answer cuboid. Write this spelling cuboid. A geometry box is cuboid. As we are talking about 3D shapes only. So let me rub these now. We are discussing exercise 7.4, question number 1. Geometry box. B, a smiley ball. C, ice cream. Ice cream cone. D, a road roller. E, a matchbox. Okay. So your geometry box is of the which shape? It is the shape of cuboid. So write cuboid. Next, a smiley ball. Ball is of which shape? Cube? No. Cuboid? No. Cone? No. Then cylinder? No. Ball is of spherical in shape. So your ball is like this. The name of the shape is sphere. Sphere. Next, ice cream cone. Your ice cream cone is of which shape? Ice cream cone matches with this shape. The shape is like ice cream cone. Bottom is circular. Right? So the name of the shape is cone. So write cone here. Next, a road roller. Have you seen road roller? Yes, you have seen. The front wheel of the road roller is of cylindrical in shape. So the shape of road roller is cylinder. Now next, a matchbox. Matchbox is of cubical shape? No. Is it cuboid? Yes. The shape of matchbox is cuboid. It is example of cuboid. Now the last one, an ice cube. Pause the video, fill all the answer in your book with the help of pencil. Later you will write in your notebook. An ice cream, an ice cube. Ice cube looks like this. This shape, what is the name of the shape? What is the name of the shape? Cube. So write cube here. Okay, question number 1 is complete here. Now question number 2. Read question number 2 carefully. Name a solid shape with only one vertex, no flat surface, exactly 2 flat faces, 6 identical faces. Now we discuss 3D shapes. You know that the meeting point of two lines is known as vertex. So here it is a cube shape. Let us count the vertex in the cube shape. I am showing in the picture, okay? It is a meeting point of 2 or more than 2 lines. It will call as vertex. So one vertex. This point is also meeting point. Here 3 lines are meeting, so it is also vertex. This point is also known as vertex. This point is also vertex. It is also vertex, 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 meeting point of lines, vertex. So now count the number of vertex in the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many number of vertex in cube? 8 vertex. How many vertex? 8 vertex. Cube has 8 vertex. Now let us count how many flat surfaces are there. How many flat surfaces are there? So one face, one flat surface it has. I am writing it 1 on it, okay? Then second flat surface I am writing 2 on it. Then third flat surface, then fourth flat surface and fifth flat surface and sixth. Now no surface is left. So first flat surface, second, third, fourth, then fifth and sixth. So this cube has 6 flat surfaces or 6 faces. 6 faces it has. I showed you 6 faces it has. 8 vertex it has. Okay. Now observe, it has all faces same, all identical. If 2 things are same, we call them identical. If 2 things are same, we call them identical. So this cube has all the faces look same. All the faces look same. So we call it, cube has 6 identical faces. Cube has 6 identical faces. Identical means same. If 2 things are same, we call them identical. So all the faces of the cube is same. We call it as identical faces. Cube has 6 faces, 8 vertex. 8 vertex. Okay. Now let us discuss about cuboid. So count the number of vertex in the cuboid. Vertex is a meeting point of 2 or more than 2 line segments. So it is also vertex, vertex, meeting point, meeting point, meeting point. Now count how many vertex in the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cuboid also has 8 vertex. Cuboid also has 8 vertex. Okay. Now count the number of faces in cuboid. It is the cuboid shape. Count the number of faces. 1, on each face of the cuboid. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So cuboid also has 6 flat surfaces, or 6 faces it has. 6 faces it has. But observe it carefully. Its 2 faces are 1 and 2 faces. 2 faces are square in shape. 2 faces are square in shape. Two faces are square in shape. And 3, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th, 4 faces are rectangular in shape. Like this. So 2 faces are square in shape and 4 faces are rectangular in shape. Means cuboid has 4 rectangular faces and 2 square faces. While cube has all the faces, all the square faces, while cube has all square faces. Okay? Things are common here. It has edge vertex, it also has edge vertex. It has 6 faces. This figure also has 6 faces. But what is the difference? Cube has identical 6 faces. Cube has identical 6 faces. But cuboid don't has identical faces. Okay? Why? Because it has 4 rectangular face and 2 square face. So it has not all identical faces. Understand? Now let us discuss. So cube has 6 identical faces. Cube has 6 identical faces. Now let us discuss cone. In cone it has only one vertex, right? Meeting point of 2 line is known as vertex, so it has only one vertex. Cone has only one vertex, only one meeting point is there. Okay. Now next shape is sphere. Sphere is simply a curve. Sphere is simply a curve. It has no edge, it has no edge and no vertex. There is no vertex in sphere. See, no straight lines are there. No meeting point is there. It is a curve. It is a curved surface. See, no straight line is there. No meeting point is there. Means it has no vertex and no edge. But cone has one. But observe the cone. It has a meeting point. Meeting point is known as vertex, so it has one vertex. Okay, it has one vertex. While sphere has no vertex. It has no flat surface even. Sphere has no flat surface. It is circular in shape. It has no flat surface. Now open question number 2. Name a solid shape with. Right now be ready with your pencil. Fill in book. Later you will write in your notebook. So question number 2. Name a solid shape with only one vertex. Which shape has only one vertex? Which solid shape has only one vertex? Tell me. I have these solid shapes. Which shape has only one vertex? Cuboid, it has 8 vertex. Cube, it has 8 vertex. Tell me. Which shape has only one vertex? On the board it is written, observe. Cone, right. Cone has only one vertex. Cube has 6 identical faces. We remember this. Question number 2. Name a solid shape A, only one vertex. Which shape has only one vertex? Last one, 6 identical faces. 6 identical faces. So, cone has only one vertex. So, I will write cone here. Now, B, no flat surface. Which solid shape has no flat surface? I have these solid shapes. Now, tell me, which has no flat surface? Sphere. Sphere has no flat surface. See, flat surface is, cuboid is made up of flat surfaces. Cube is made up of flat surfaces. Here in cone we have one flat surface which is of circle in shape, right? The cylinder is also has two flat surfaces which is also in circular in shape. Two flat surfaces it has, top and bottom, both are circular in shape. It has two flat surfaces, but in a sphere there is no flat surface. So, the answer is no flat surface. Sphere has no flat surface. Now next, read exactly two flat surface. Which shape has exactly two flat surface? C, cube. Cube has 6 flat surfaces, but question is exactly two flat surfaces. Cuboid has 6 flat surfaces, but our question is only two flat surfaces. C, cone, it has only one flat surface. Sphere, it has no flat surface. So which one is left? Cylinder, it has one flat surface and at other side also flat surface. So cylinder is the solid shape which has two flat surfaces. So exactly two flat surfaces which shape has? Cylinder has. Okay, the last one, 6 identical faces. Now tell me, cube has 6 faces, cuboid has 6 faces. But out of these two, which has identical faces? I explained you all the things. Which object has or which solid shape has identical among these two? Yes, right. Cube has 6 identical faces. So 6 identical faces which have cube. So this question is complete here. This question is complete here. Okay. Question number 3 we will do tomorrow, but today we will do question number 4 also in this lecture. Question number 3 we will do in next lecture. Question number 3 and question number 5 we will do in next lecture, but question number 4 we will do right now. So be ready with your notebook or note down in rough work. Right now, later you can write properly in your notebook. Write the number of faces, edges and vertices of the following figures. A. Cuboid, B. Cube, C. Cylinder, D. Cone. For this question, make a table like this. For question number 4, make a table like this in your notebook. Faces, edges and what is vertices. Vertices is the plural of vertex, okay. Cuboid. Cuboid has how many faces? See here, cuboid has 6 faces. So we will write 6 here. Cuboid has how many vertex or how many vertices it has? It has 8 vertex or 8 vertices. So I am writing 8 here. Now what is edge? If I give you the Hindi meaning of edge, edge means kinar. Okay, so let us count how many edges it has or flat line or lines. Edge means line or kinar. Okay, so count the number of lines or edges in this shape, this cuboid. Count the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many edges in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines and 4 on the back side. Total 12 edges are there in the cuboid. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 this side, 4 back side, 4 lines back side. Now count the lines here, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. So total 12 edges in cuboid is there. Okay. Now the next shape is cube. How many faces in cube? I already explained you 6 faces. Cube has 6 faces. So write 6. How many edges cube have? Edges means the line. So count the number of line in the figure. It also has 12 edges. Okay. Write the number of vertex. Write the number of vertex. Vertex means meeting point of 2 lines. So 8 vertex are there. Next shape is cylinder. Okay. It is a cylindrical shape. How many faces it has? It has total 3 faces. 1 top face, bottom face and the face between this top and bottom. Okay. So it has 2 circular face. Total 3 faces it has. 2 flat shapes and 1 curved face. Okay. 2 flat faces and 1 curved faces. So total 3 faces it has. In bracket I am writing 2 flat face and 1 curved face. Okay. How many edges it has? How many edges it has? Identify. It has 2 edges. It has 2 edges. How many vertices it has? It has no vertex. It has no vertex. So write no vertex. Vertex is meeting point of two lines, but there is no line in this shape. Okay. Now the last one, cone. How many faces cone have? It has two faces. One is circular, one face is circular and the next face is curved. Second face, one is curved face. Okay, it's your choice. If you want to write these basic details, you can write. Otherwise, write just 3 or 2. How many edges cone has? How many edges? This is the cone shape. Identify how many edges it has. It has one edge. How many vertex cone have? I explained you already. It has one vertex. So write 1 here. So for question number 4, you need to draw a table like this. Okay. Question number 4 is complete here. We will understand and do question number 3 and 5 in our next lecture. Till then, learn spellings of cube, cuboid, all the solid and flat shapes. Learn spellings. Okay. Bye students. That's all for today's class.